Good evening, guys. Speaking to Kamal. Most of you already know me from the group, our group. So, just to show you guys where I am on my task call, I'm currently on eBay. As you can see, on eBay, I've generated 99,749.51 cents. Yesterday's commission was 4654.89. I have a team of 273 people, and thanks to all of you, this team is growing daily and it's growing up by big numbers. And through all your support and your commitment, it's actually helped me to climb up the levels. That's why I encourage all of you to have your own teams, your own WhatsApp, discuss with your team, show your team, engage with your team, what you need to do, what they need to achieve, and where they can get, obviously, in the Jumia platform. So I'm going to do a live task. Basically, I'm going to receive all my tasks. As you know, I get 22 tasks on VIP6 eBay. I'm on 99,749, and today I will officially unlock the Amazon platform. And yeah, I will be in Amazon. So let's start. As you will see as we go along, how much I will get for each task and what I will earn. And yesterday's commission was 4654. Let's see what I make today. As you can see, my commission on one task, depending on what the item is and the value of the item, this one is almost 200 rand. I submitted the order. Order submitted successfully. Close the tab. I'm on 99,945. I'm almost there, guys. Receive the next task. R214. So you will note, order submit, that I can make anything between 180 right up to 250 rand, depending on the item, the value of the item, and that sort of thing, and how much of those items actually sell. Boom, guys, look at that. Officially 100,000 rand only on 2 items, which means I officially have unlocked the Amazon portal. But I still have 20 more tasks to do on eBay. I will have to receive all of them. Let's see what my daily commission will be for today.